Click House Key, Dimple, Mul-T-lock. Select 920135 to enter the key data page. Dimple keys needs dimple decoder to decode. Fix the original key on side B shown in the figure. Please make sure key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Then click Decode to decode. After decoding is done, please fix a new key blank on side B shown in the figure. Make sure the key blank is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Click Cut and use right cutter as guide. Then click OK to start cutting. Please switch the key blank to other side and make sure jaw is clean of shavings. Then click OK to start cutting. Please make sure jaw is clean of shavings and change the cutter as guide. Then click OK to start cutting. Please switch the key blank to other side and make sure jaw is clean of shavings. Then click OK to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean shavings and test that the new key works well.